Welcome to our guide on capturing game audio in OBS effectively. Let's dive into making your stream sound amazing. First, launch OBS and go to the Sources section. This is where we'll set up our audio capture. Click the plus button in Sources. Select Audio Output Capture to start capturing the game audio. Name your new source for clarity. Next, choose your headset or speakers from the device list. Once added, adjust the volume slider in the mixer to find the perfect balance between game audio and your voice. Finally, test your audio settings by launching a game. Ensure everything sounds just right. You're all set now. Remember, quality audio enhances the gaming experience. Take time to tweak your settings. Explore additional settings in OBS for a more customized experience. Your stream, your way. Keep experimenting with your audio setup. Every stream can be better than the last. Thank you for joining our guide. Happy streaming and enjoy the pure audio experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on streaming. See you in the next video. Keep creating amazing content.